I'll tell you, sometimes nothing hits the spot on a hot summer day like a cold, refreshing orange creamsicle. Of course, it would be nice if it didn't have all the sugar and the calories, right? Well, now it can. Today, we are making a super delicious, super low-calorie orange creamsicle flavored ice cream in the Ninja Creami. It's only 150 calories for the entire container, and it's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. So the idea to do an orange creamsicle flavored ice cream actually came from one of you in the comments. I read the comment and I'm like, that sounds delicious. Yeah, let's do it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do it.
Do it. Do it now.
Let's get cooking. So first, take a blender cup. I've got a NutriBullet cup, and add 1 cup of Fairlife 2% milk. Then we'll add 8.5 grams of vanilla zero sugar Jello pudding mix, 3 tablespoons of Monfruit sweetener, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Now, the pudding mix does have xanthan gum in it, so you probably can get away with not doing it. I've just been doing it this way, and it's been turning out pretty good, so I add the xanthan gum. It's what I do.
It's what I do.
And finally, this is such an easy way to get the orange creamsicle flavor. I am adding 5 grams of Mio Orange Vanilla flavored water enhancer. In fact, I've been playing around with some of these different water enhancers just to add different flavors to ice creams, and some of them work pretty darn well. So I'll be doing more in the future. Today, this is how we're doing the orange creamsicle. So 5 grams, and that's it. So now you just blend this for about 30 seconds, pour it into a Ninja Creami pint, and freeze it for 24 hours. And of course, I already have one ready to go, so let's move on to the Ninja Creami and make our orange creamsicle ice cream. All right, here we have the frozen orange creamsicle ice cream. It's been sitting out for a little while, so I am gonna pop this into the Ninja Creami, and we are going to do our first spin. Put it in here and hit light ice cream. Here we go. All right, that spin is done. Let's see how it's looking. See if we need an additional spin or not. Yeah, I'm gonna give it one more spin. I think one more spin ought to do it, just so it's that smooth, creamy consistency that I like. So one more time, we're gonna hit respin. All right, spin number 2 is done. Let's take a look. There. That's it. That's it. It's ready. Perfect. Perfection! That's the way I like it. Okay, let's try this stuff out. And here it is, this beautiful, smooth, orange creamsicle flavored ice cream. Take a look at that. Look at that little swirl going on in there. Look at that orange. It's a faint orange color, that orange and vanilla all just perfectly blending together. I gotta try some of this. Here we go. Get a spoonful right here. Look at that smooth creaminess. Oh man. Let's try it. Yes, yes, that is it. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. That tastes like an orange creamsicle. Oh, it's so good. It's sweet. It's got the orange and the vanilla cream. Oh, this is really, really, really darn good. Pretty good. You're outside in the hot sun, you're sweating, you come in and you get yourself some of this. That is a fantastic summer treat right there. I can't believe it's so low in calories too. It's insane. Okay, let's take a second and go over the macros. Okay, so all of this, every last little bit of this goodness in here is only 150 calories. That's wild. 150 calories, 15 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein. That's just crazy. Just thoroughly enjoyable. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any ideas for recipes you might like to see in the future, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you and what you're interested in. Thank you all so much, and until next time, keep on eating. Girl.
Birthday! Birthday! Birthday gun!